I think the most difficult part is that you have to get used to a completely new system first time you go to university. Um, and it can be pretty overwhelming and challenging at first. You are on your own here, so nobody's really gonna tell you how you need to study or warn you about upcoming deadlines. I know it's hard for everyone at first, but it definitely is not a bad thing. You learn how to be independent. You learn many new skills like time management. Um, and if you live away from your family, um, you can learn many new and useful skills, um, like how to take care of yourself. When I first went to university, the most surprising thing was probably that I was treated more like a colleague and not just as a student, which is a really good thing, and it can boost your confidence. Um, you can always email your professors, lecturers to make an appointment with them, talk to them, um, and ask for help if you really need it. So in my personal experience, it was a bit different in secondary school because um, you had the only option, at least in my secondary school, that you had to walk up to the teacher and try to engage and ask her or him your questions. And if they had time, they would answer. If they didn't, they wouldn't. So I think it's much more easier at uni to just send emails and make an appointment with whoever you want to make an appointment with. Um, Also, another difference is the material you need to acquire is way bigger and way harder than it is in high school. Um, but the good thing about this is that there are no limits at university. You can be who you want to be. You can always find something new that you might find interesting. Always learn new things, take part in events, or join societies, or even take part in sessional modules that can help you transfer to uni life. So that's what I did. I signed up for this scientific academic writing in sessional module, which was more about getting used to the scientific language, um, which can be pretty difficult at university. Um, Another thing is that nobody's gonna tell you to take notes. Um, you are responsible for them yourself. Um, but of course, the professors are there to help and give you an outline of what you need to know to ace your exams and to be a successful chemist. But in my personal experience, I think it's always a good idea to take notes, even if you know you will not use them later. But actually, if you write the information down, then you'll be able to memorize it better. Also, there are these recommended readings you need to do after the lectures. Um, my advice is to definitely go through those books at least once to know what's what. And I think it's another difference from secondary school because, as for me, the notes with most of the subjects, the notes were enough to get a good grade. But at university, you can never be sure what the um, what you will be asked during an exam.